The rumor mill has been abuzz about Samsung launching its upcoming phablet, the Galaxy Note 9, at Unpacked event scheduled for August 9. In the past couple of weeks, we have reportedly seen a number of leaks and renders revealing the speculated specifications and the design of the upcoming phablet device. The latest leak comes in the form of images of official accessories for the device, spotted on the WinFuture website. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. According to the leaked images, the all-new S Pen is supposed to come in 6 color options, being black, blue, brown, grey and yellow. Going by the color options, we can also expect Samsung to offer these colors for their upcoming smartphones as well. The second accessory is the usual clear view case that Samsung introduced with the Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge. However, the Note 9's clear view case is also supposed to double up as a stand, just like last year's Note 8 case. Next in the line is the protective silicone cover and leather cover aimed to provide grip and protection to the smartphone. The website also suggests that Samsung is preparing a rugged protective back cover to be exclusive to the US. However, the website does not reveal the pricing of these cases. We can expect these accessories to hit stores along with the device. For the specifications, the device is expected to run the top of the line from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 845 in the US market and the 9820 in Africa and Asia, having 6GB of RAM and storage options of 64, 128 or 256GB. On the software front, the upcoming phablet is expected to run Samsung's Experience UI on top of Android Oreo. Talking about the camera, the Note 9 is said to come with a dual rear camera with variable aperture and an 8-megapixel front shooter along with autofocus. The device is to be packed by a relatively larger 4000 mAh battery compared to the last gen Note or Galaxy S devices. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.